What's up, guys? This is Gavin at Tab Performance, and we have something super exciting coming to you guys today. If you are a Gen 2 121 Harley-Davidson owner, stay tuned. If you're not a Gen 2 121 owner, we do have other configurations planned for this setup, so stick around as well. But today we are going to be going over our Redline Performance Kit. Not just our Redline exhaust, which we dropped earlier this year, but we are going over our full Redline kit that we are releasing. And if you're watching this video, hopefully it is live and available on the website for you. But we're just gonna go over what all this kit entails, why we chose to put this kit together, and then we're gonna show you guys kind of how it performs, how it sounds, and kind of what you can expect as far as this full Redline kit goes. So stick around. We're going to go over some of these options and all the parts that come with this kit, and then have a little bit of fun out in the parking lot and show you guys kind of what our performance kit can do as well. All right, a few things that you guys do need to know about this Redline Performance Kit is it is currently for the 121 Gen 2 M8. Like I said, we do have other configurations planned, but this kit is pretty much everything you need to get this bike cammed, get some extra power, get it tuned correctly, and have it sounding amazing. I do want to go over everything that does come in this Redline Performance Kit, as it does kind of come with a lot. And it's, like I said, pretty much everything you need to get the job done. So whoever installs it won't have any issue. They won't have to really go out of their way to get anything other than fresh oil for the fresh build. But this Redline Performance Kit does come with the cam, something that we spent a lot of time researching to kind of go and mesh well with the rest of the system. It's going to come with new high performance lifters. It's going to come with S&S tappet cuffs, which get rid of the factory plastic ones. We are also going to include the adjustable push rods. That way you don't have to take off the top end. You can just cut the stock push rods. It's going to come with high flow injectors. With this cam, it does require a little bit bigger injectors. One of the awesome things that this kit is going to come with is the Impact Wiring Solutions ECU, which has a lot of features that I'll get to show you guys a little bit later in this video. And then it is also going to come with a complete gasket set. You guys should not need any gaskets other than what we include. And also it is going to come with your choice of Redline Performance exhausts. So obviously we offer what you see here on this CVOST, which is our Redline Performance 2-in-1 in black. We also offer it in chrome, and not only do we have this system in 2-in-1, but we also make it in the 2-to-2 configuration. All right, now I just kind of want to talk to you guys why we chose this setup, specifically, with the ECU, with the cam, obviously with our exhaust system. We wanted to choose a performance system that really complements itself. We wanted to do the legwork, do the research, do the calibrations to make sure everything is going to work flawlessly. So we chose a cam that we think kind of does everything, fills every void that you may be missing from that stock cam. It is going to give you a little bit more torque. It's going to give you more horsepower. It's going to feel more linear throughout the power band, and I will say I have had the chance to ride this a little bit, and it is super rideable. We do live in the city, so it was some city riding, and this thing feels great down low. I did have a chance to open it up a few times, and it feels amazing. I will get the chance to show you guys some of that stuff a little bit later in the video. But there's a lot of capabilities with this impact wiring ECU that they will send you, and not only do we get a little bit of information from you as far as your VIN number, year, make, and model, so we can ensure that the tune is perfect. By doing that, it's going to save you a little bit of money. You just get a essentially plug in that ECU, and the tune's already going to be preloaded. You're going to be good to go, good to rip. You don't have to take it to a dyno tuner. It doesn't have to spend a couple hours on the dyno. You don't have to spend that extra money getting the tunes. So we really took that into consideration when wanting to give you guys an affordable product. And I will say we are not going to be doing an installation video on this product. We do recommend that you have a professional install it. Not saying that it's impossible to do on your own if you feel comfortable. All the power to you. But we have essentially put all these parts together to take any guesswork, any research, anything out of that equation for you. So all you have to do is give us a little bit of your information, choose what Redline system you want, and wait for it to show up at your door. I do want to tell you that with all that legwork that we did by choosing each part, if you choose to go out and swap parts with something that we haven't provided, maybe you want to run a different exhaust system, maybe you want to run different lifters, we can't stand behind any parts that we don't provide. We can't promise that if you change anything out from our Redline Performance kit that it's going to run perfectly with the ECU tune that we send. What we can promise with this kit, however, is that if you provide us with the correct information for your bike, and if you have it professionally installed, that it is going to run flawlessly and you're going to have a lot of fun on this bike. This impact wiring ECU has a lot of features that are super badass, super fun. I'm going to show you guys the launch control on this bike, and it not only sounds absolutely crazy, almost like a turbo two-step car, it rips out of the hole. It absolutely rips. So like I said, we can't back any aftermarket parts that don't coincide with this kit that we provide, but if you run everything that comes with this kit, you're going to have a blast with your buddies and probably leave them in the dust, and also have a bike that is super rideable and pretty much, covers everything that you need out of a great cam, which is more torque, more horsepower, super smooth ride, and just a very, very rideable bike. So you can still daily it if you need to. You can still go rip around at the track. Or, you could get on the interstate and go commute to work if you need to. And if you do want to know any more information about the cam, we should have a little bit more online. Check out the description. I will try to include a link to the listing. But if you just want to know off the top of my head, the intake and exhaust is a 555 lift. So this is a 555 lift cam for the M8 Gen 2 121s, and from what I've seen and what I felt just in the seats, this package is a phenomenal combo. So I think it's time to get this bike off the lift, hop outside, and just kind of show you guys not only what this sounds like, but also what this is capable of doing. All right, guys, so we're out here with the CVO, and I brought my guy Andy out. He's going to show us how to launch this thing with the Impact ECU. I've seen him do it a couple times. It looks pretty dang easy and sounds absolutely crazy when he does it. So we'll also do that launch, as well as give you guys some idle sound clips and some sound clips as we rev, and maybe do a burnout or a drift or two. Another thing I wanted to point out with that Impact ECU that's really nice on these 25 CVOs or 24 CVO STs is that this actually is going to keep the configuration of the BCM, the body control module. So you get to keep all your functions, all your ride modes. If you had GPS, which you should on the CVO, you'll still get to keep that. It's super nice. Not every tuner is like that. Sometimes you do lose functionality that you got from the factory. Not with the Impact ECU. Essentially, it is letting you keep everything from the factory and giving you much more to play with as far as the actual ECM goes. So let's have Andy hop on the bike and show us how to launch this bad thing. All right, so Andy's on the bike. He's going to show us how to launch this thing. We'll go over there and see what it is, but as far as I know, you just pull the clutch all the way in, wide open throttle right away, and it's going to bounce off the limiter at about 3,000 RPM. At that point, you let the clutch go, keep that wide open throttle going, and it's gonna hook and book. So hold on and hope for the best, but this thing is so smooth, there's really nothing to worry about. It's just like perfect power delivery. He probably won't even spin that much, but check this out. A little spin there, but that was so gnarly off that limiter. He's gonna come back and we'll show you guys another launch here. Alright, so I just want to show you guys a couple sound clips, if you didn't hear it already, from Andy showing us the launch there. We'll just show you guys an idle, a little bit of rev, and then I'll bounce it off the limiter a couple times for you guys to hear again. Obviously, the microphones never do this bike justice. It sounds absolutely crazy in person, but still going to show you the sound clips here. Alright guys, well that's probably the end of the video for today. I was able to show you guys everything that comes in the Redline Performance package, and we were able to do a few sound clips and a few riding clips really showcasing what this kit has to offer. And from what I have witnessed and what I felt just from riding the bike alone, this kit goes together perfectly. Like I said, we can't back any products that are outside of this performance kit, but if you enter in the correct information, if you have it professionally stalled, this is going to be a performance cam kit for these Gen 2 M8s that you can really enjoy no matter what you're doing. If you're commuting, if you're racing around, or just riding with your buddies stoplight to stoplight, this is something that will impress you. And like always guys, if you stuck around for the full video, thank you guys so much. Don't be afraid to click subscribe if you haven't already, and keep an eye out for that Tap Performance Redline Performance package. It's going to be out by the time you see this video, so hit our site.